Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use PS5 Controller on your PS4, guys. Super cool. Works on iPhone and Android. We're going to use an app called Controller++, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. It's really cool. So as you can see, guys, I am actually able to do it. It is super cool, and I can't believe this actually works, but it does. So I'll show you guys exactly how to download this. It's really insane. You can see right here all the consoles and controllers that I am able to pick. So if you want to get this, guys, I'm going to show you the iPhone guide first. So I'm going to delete the app from my iPhone just so I can show you guys how to get it from the very beginning. And if you want to download this, guys, what you need to do is open up the settings app on your iPhone, and there's a few settings that we're going to go ahead and change. So let me open the app, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what those settings are. So the first thing we're going to do is we need to go ahead and go down to the general section, and we're looking for this option called background app refresh. We have to make sure that background app refresh is turned on. If this is off, you're not going to be able to download this app. So make sure it's on. You can have it on either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi mobile data, doesn't matter. Just make sure background app refresh is on and you're going to be good to go. And once you've done that, all you have to do is go down here to where it says battery, and what you want to do is make sure that the low power mode is off. Now, you'll know this is on because your battery percentage will turn yellow, so make sure that low power mode is turned off. And once you've done that, all you have to do is go down here to where it says App Store, and you just want to make sure, guys, that this option called Automatic Downloads is on. This is very important that this is enabled. It should be on by default, but if it is off, make sure you go ahead and turn it on. Once you've done that, you're all set, and all you have to do now is go ahead and go to this amazing site that I'm about to show you. So let me just go to my browser, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what the site is. So the site we're going to be using in this video is called IPAzilla.com. Has a ton of modded apps and games. So I highly recommend just going to the search bar, typing in what you want. So for us, that's Controller++. Once you find it in the search results, all you have to do is go ahead and press install. And it's going to say Signing Controller IPA. That's the file extension for iPhone apps, so you'll know you're downloading the iPhone version. Whatever you guys do, don't leave the site because it will ask you to install a configuration profile at the end. So I'm just going to give it a minute here for this to finish. You can see it says installing. It's also the latest version, so I'm just going to let it finish here. As you can see, all right, it's almost done. Okay, installing, all right. So once it's done, guys, it's going to bring up this little circle, and it's going to start going around and around. So let's just give it a minute for that to happen. As you can see, all right, it started. So what it's going to do now is it's going to bring up a prompt to install the configuration profile. So let's just give it a minute. And as you can see, guys, here it comes. You can see it loading at the top. And any moment now, guys, here it is. The website's trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? You have to go ahead and press allow. It's going to say profile downloaded. Press close. And what you have to do now is go ahead and reopen settings to install the profile. So let's open settings. And once you're in there, find the message at the top that says profile downloaded. Go ahead, press on that. Once you do that, all you have to do is go ahead and press install right here. And then it's just going to ask you for your iPhone password. Go ahead, put that in. Once you do that, press install again. Press install in red. This is the final prompt. Go to your home screen, and you will now see Controller++ on your iPhone. So now I'm going to show you guys how to download this if you have an Android device, because the guide for Android users is a little bit different. So if you're on Android, before you can go ahead and download this, you have to go ahead and open up the settings app. So let me go ahead and do that right here, as you can see. And once you're in settings, guys, there's something very important you need to do. You have to go to the search bar and type in unknown. We're looking for an option called install unknown apps. Basically, we need to make sure that the web browser we're using to go to this site has permission to install apps. So find install unknown apps right here. Go ahead, press on that. Scroll down. You should find it again under this section, install unknown apps. And for many of you guys, the web browser you're going to be using is Google Chrome. So whatever web browser you're going to use, for me it's Google Chrome, you need to make sure that it has permission to install apps. Allow from the source has to be on. So as you can see, I've already allowed it for Chrome. Make sure you allow it from whatever browser you're going to use. As you can see, allow from the source has to be turned on. So once you've done that, you're pretty much good to go. And all you have to do now is go ahead and go to the same site as on iPhone. So that would be IPAzilla.com. So let me just go ahead and go to the site here. And once you're here, it functions the same. You just want to go to the search bar and type in controller. And you can see it comes right up. So to get it on your device, what you have to do is go ahead and press install. It's going to say Signing Controller APK, which is the file extension for Android apps. So whatever you guys do, don't leave the site, because at the end it will ask you to install the APK. So let's just give it a minute. You can see it's loading right now. All right, okay, almost done. It's installing. All right, just going to give it a second to finish. Okay, all righty, almost done. So anyways, guys, once this progress bar reaches the end, it's going to start loading this little circle around and around, just like it did on the iPhone. And then it will bring up the prompt to install the APK. So let's just give it a minute here. As you can see, there's the circle. And here it comes. All right, okay. There, the type of file can harm. Do you want to keep controller APK? So go ahead, press OK. and then it's just going to download. And what you want to do is just press open, and it's going to say, do you want to install this application? So go ahead, press install, and it's just going to load this little progress bar. And you have like a newer phone, it will scan it just to make sure it's safe. So you can see it's scanning right now, and the scan should come back totally safe. So let's give it a minute, and as you can see, it did. And if we go to our home screen, we now have Controller Plus Plus on our Android. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead, share this with your friends, get the word out about this crazy method. I'm honestly blown away this actually works. It's super cool, but it does. I'll be seeing you guys later, and peace out.